So we've taken the bean concaves out, like this one, and putting the cereal ones back in. These keystone ones there. So that'll be good. Ready? Crop lifters, front elevator, APS grates. All ready to get reaping some wheat. Where'd my offsider here? A bit later than we planned, but here we go. Whoa, back we go. Right, now for reals. Here we go. Better watch out for that roll of hay. Righty, now we're right. All set. Anyway, see you at the bin. Or when we get a bin here. Nice. Already decent. There's a couple of bins that'll keep us going for an hour or two. I wonder if we'll run out of fuel. I better have a look at this sample before we get and do too much. Glorious. Not too bad. Maybe an odd crack might just soften them a bit more. Yeah, not a lot I can do. There you have it, first wheat. Isn't that okay? Nice. Well, wheat's pretty solid. Better than I expected, actually. What do you think, Kate? Pretty good? Happy with your picnic? That's good. We gotta try and reap a road train before we go to bed. That's the aim for the night. Bless you. So first time in a while I should to cut this paddock in half because yeah, we tried the long way, and sometimes you can reap a bit off the ends and make it that you can get up and back. Yeah, I only got one way pretty much, and it was full, so no way that was going to happen. So we're going to cut it in half and do it like we used to before the header. I think we did it the first year we had it, because I hadn't graded the bank properly from the old fence. So, but yeah, a bit more wheat here than I thought it was going to be. So that's really nice, actually. Really nice indeed. Wheat on canola stubble, actually not too bad at all. Well, bins are full, and it's about 1 o'clock, so time for bed. Night night, everyone. For reals now. Action aplenty. They're coming for a load of wheat. Musical augurs continue. Sorry, beans, you'll have to wait. Bloody hell, he's already there. Thought I had enough time. There you go. Alrighty. Now to move you, you offended little bastard. Two paddocks and two right in the bloody gateway. Unreal. Note for self, next time we do hay rolling, don't do that. That was a bit stupid. But I guess that's what you get when you go hay rolling about 3 in the morning. There we have it. Bit of footage from offline. Righty, first load of wheat, eh? Now to move these rolls that found their way out into the crop. Oh my god. Rolls. Alrighty. Start perfect. Yeah, pretty much. But yeah, the hell is the weight of beans on this. Bit ridiculous actually. I've got other things to do, but not good to leave all that weight on the truck. It is actually, that was too heavy altogether for it. You see it's bowing bloody sides out. Yeah. What a load. It must be weighing like lead. Oh, hill of beans. Aye, that be full enough, I believe. Long fill begins. About half an hour, I reckon. Alrighty, that's way more gooder. Yeah, I was having trouble with the belt slippage and the clean grain returns, and yeah, it turns out this this was a spring. They are spring loaded, but you actually have to undo that, and she went back a fair bit. That'll make a big difference. Nice. By day. Nice sunset. Time for a bit of reefing. A little bit more. Alrighty. I think this will be it for the night. I'm getting really tired. We got a super early start. So, yeah. I think that will do. Wasn't quite a Christmas party, but oh well. We are getting the crop off, so that's kind of nice. And they are threatening rain, and we have to be up at like 4 in the morning or something stupid, so there's also that to look forward to. So we didn't quite finish this little piece after all. I thought we would, but there's a little bit more here to do than we thought, and a bit more grain, so it's always nice when there's that. Anyway, I'll probably bid you adieu for the night, and we'll see you in the morning, like super early I hope, if I can get a bit of sleep. That's the plan.